Okay, we are going to show you today the solution for a very hot window. This combination of products will give you the best heat control you can get and also light control. First, we're going to install a blackout honeycomb shade in the window. Now we're going to install our shutter. Okay folks, so as you can see, we installed the shutter and the shade behind it. We're going to show you the benefits of it. So go ahead and open that shutter. And as you can see, it's a very bright sunny day outside. Go ahead and lower that shade. Alright, so as you can see, there's a blackout shade. Keeps the light out. There's always going to be a little sneaking on the sides, but we'll show you the benefit of this. So not only does it keep it dark, a blackout honeycomb and a shutter are the two best insulators on the market. So go ahead and close that shutter. Okay, and close all the louvers. Now as you remember, it was a very bright day out. I'm going to turn the light out in this room and you're going to see the benefit. We're live. That blind and shutter is keeping out basically 100% of the light. So if you have a second shift or a baby's room or just a hot window in general, this product will achieve not only excellent insulation but complete light control. Give us a call.